The diversity of culinary traditions across the globe is nothing short of astounding, leading to unique and unusual dining experiences. While some may find these choices unconventional, they reflect the rich tapestry of cultures and the way people adapt to their surroundings. Here, we explore 10 unusual animals that are eaten as delicacies in various parts of the world, showcasing the intriguing world of international cuisine. In Peru, guinea pig, known as kai, is a cherished delicacy with deep cultural roots. Roasted or fried, it's a common dish in celebrations and festivals, offering a flavorful and tender meat with a slightly gamey taste. In Cambodia, fried tarantulas are a popular street food snack. These large arachnids are crispy on the outside and tender on the inside, often enjoyed with a sprinkle of salt and garlic. Fried brain sandwich. United States, particularly popular in the American Midwest, the fried brain sandwich is made from the brains of cows or pigs. The brains are breaded and fried, creating a creamy interior and crispy exterior. Balut is a fertilized duck embryo, typically boiled and eaten in the Philippines. It's often seasoned with salt and vinegar and is a unique combination of textures, including crunchy cartilage and a rich, savory broth. Haggis is a traditional Scottish dish made from sheep's heart, liver, and lungs, minced with onion, oatmeal, and spices, then encased in a sheep's stomach. Despite its ingredients, it's considered a delicacy and is often enjoyed with neeps, turnips, and tatties, potatoes. Snake dishes are popular in parts of Vietnam and China. Snake meat, often served in a soup, is believed to have various health benefits and is considered an aphrodisiac in some cultures. Casu marzu is a traditional Italian Sardinian cheese that includes live insect larvae. The larvae help ferment the cheese, giving it a strong aroma and unique texture. It's illegal in the European Union but still produced and consumed in Sardinia. Despite the name, Rocky Mountain oysters are not seafood but rather deep-fried bull or bison testicles. They are a popular delicacy in parts of the American West. Frog legs are considered a delicacy in France, particularly in regions like Provence. These amphibious morsels are often sautéed in butter, garlic, and parsley, resulting in a tender and flavorful dish. In Scandinavia and Northern Europe, reindeer meat is a traditional delicacy. It's prepared in various ways, from slow-cooked stews to smoked sausages, and is celebrated for its lean and gamey flavor. While these unusual animals may not be part of everyone's regular diet, they showcase the remarkable diversity of global culinary traditions. Exploring unique and unconventional dishes can be an exciting way to learn about different cultures and the culinary ingenuity that emerges from the world's varied ecosystems.